Hi, I'm Victor. Today I'm going to give you a crash course in Screenly. But let's start with what is Screenly? Screenly is a display management platform that allows you to remotely manage screens directly over the internet. Common use cases include dashboards, menu boards, or retail advertisement. But how does it work? Well, we're using a Screenly player, which is a physical hardware device plugged into your TV monitor. This device can be remotely managed by the user directly over the internet using the Screenly web interface. It doesn't matter if you're managing 1 or 1,000 screens, the process is largely the same. So with that, let's dive into some core concept in Screenly. There are 4 major building blocks in Screenly. There are screens, labels, content, and playlists. Let's explore each one of them. Screens is a combination of a player and a monitor in a physical location. Labels is a logical grouping of one or more screens. This largely depends on your use case, but they can be grouped into things like cities, for instance San Francisco, or menu boards based on use case. There are also system labels that are automatically created by our system for you. These include things like landscape or portrait, or Ultra HD for 4K screens. Next, we have content. Content is what it's actually showing on the actual screen. That includes videos, images, or web pages. Lastly, we have playlists. This ties all of the above together. It's what to play, meaning the content, where to play, meaning the label of the screens, as well as when to play it, meaning the schedule. In this diagram, you can see how this all works. You can see you have a playlist in the middle, you have your labels, which is where to play, you have the content, which is what to play, as well as the schedule, meaning when to play. But let's unpack this a bit further and dive into an example of a lunch menu board. So we've tagged all our menu board screens with the menu screen label. We've uploaded our lunch menu as an image to our system. We've then created a lunch menu playlist. Now, we only want the lunch menu to display during lunch hours on weekdays. So we've set it a time rule between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. We also set a rule for weekdays, meaning Monday to Fridays. But we also added another condition, which is this is the lunch menu for August. It's also important to note here that on the left, you see it says and next to all these conditions. And that means that all these conditions needs to be true for this playlist to be active. But that's simply how it works. You can create your playlist and make them as granular or as simple as you like. I hope this sheds some more light on how Screenly works, and thank you for watching. To sign up or to buy hardware players, go to screenly.io, or if you have any questions, go to support.screenly.io and we happily answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching.